This is the MasterCraft X24. Everything you need for world-class behind-the-boat performance packed into a luxurious 24-foot package. Boasting MasterCraft's renowned surf waves, signature styling, unmatched comfort, and premium amenities, the award-winning X24 is in a class of its own. MasterCraft takes great pride in being the best-selling and strongest towboat brand in the industry. This X24 is a representation of that. We never stop progressing and are committed to building boats that help you make memories that last a lifetime. With any MasterCraft, you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. But what makes the X24 unique? The X24 has truly become the gold standard for a luxury performance towboat. It boasts an unparalleled driving experience thanks to a standard Ilmor 6.2-liter engine, exceptional wave performance, and the most premium luxuries. Now let's dive into the details. Starting here at the transom, the X24 features SurfStar, your gateway to an unmatched surf experience thanks to its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. Simply select a rapid surf preset and the X24 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. For those who want to tweak the wave further, you can switch over to the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding on the X24, cut your wait time in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in about 4 minutes, so there's less time waiting and more time riding. The X24 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing noise and fumes to elevate your experience in the boat. And for those of you who spend a lot of time at the wheel, you can upgrade your X24 with the most powerful stern thruster on the market. It's able to pivot your boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds, and it's integrated into the throttle knob for an incredibly intuitive, easy-to-use functionality. As far as getting in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. And underneath the transom walkthrough is built-in storage to conveniently store things like vests and tow ropes. Last, but certainly not least, you'll notice the X24 patented transom lounge seats. These are often referred to as the best seats in the house, and for good reason, especially when the optional footrest is added. The X24 provides an expansive, elevated cockpit experience. With seating for up to 18 people, the X24 has plenty of space for a larger crew. The U-shaped seating is perfect for socializing, and the extensive underseat storage and built-in cooler location is ideal for entertaining. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversation in the boat or watch the action behind it. For even more comfort on board, upgrade your upholstery to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. This means there's no reason to shy away from richer colors that complement your custom design. And 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel coat options to really round out the MasterCraft palette offerings. The X24 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area, and they can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging. Packed with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the X24. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer. You can also upgrade to our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer for extra bass. Now let's talk about towers. The X24 can be equipped with 3 different tower options: the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use clamping board racks, and power board racks are also available. Combined with our convenient bimini storage, you get 10 spots for boards. You can now upgrade from the standard silver Z6 tower to an all-black Z6 tower. Or if choosing the Z8 or Z10 towers, each can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design. Lastly, up to 4 speakers can be added to the tower for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The helm area of the X24 has been completely redesigned for 2025. A dual screen configuration is now standard on the X24, and both of those screens are larger than the previous generation. You'll now be greeted by a sleek 15-inch center display and a massive 12-inch touchscreen off to the right side of the helm. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive and immersive. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. The 2025 X24 has a new helm seat design that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort as well as beautiful, modernized aesthetics. Below the dash, the X24 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone fully charged all day. The spacious pickle fork bow is both an iconic MasterCraft design and a hallmark feature of the X24. Sturdy, built-in armrests make the space up front feel refined and welcoming. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a bow filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. As always, there's plenty of underseat storage in the bow, as well as a dedicated anchor storage on centerline. While the behind-the-boat experience on the X24 is second to none, it's also worth mentioning that our team of naval architects designed the X24 hull to deliver a smooth and dry ride that sets a new standard in the towboat segment. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an incredible on-water experience. With the X24, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system for a simple yet sophisticated towing experience. Now let's talk about what powers the X24. The Ilmor 6.2-liter GDI offering 430 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines and are revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. If high-performance engines are your thing, the X24 can be equipped with our 6.2-liter Supercharged engine that produces 630 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque. Plus, all 2025 X models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance on even the hottest summer days. Our dedication to quality and reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. New for 2025, you can even switch off your battery remotely after you leave the lake house. Our telematics platform leverages technology to provide reassurance and convenience for you and your family. Lastly, every X24 comes standard with MasterCare, a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to explore the X24. If you want to experience the MasterCraft difference for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.